where silence grew. I hid the pain that I never knew. The echoes call, the shadows speak, but from the cracks the light still leaks. Roots of fire deep below, turning pain to strength. I know from where I came, I rise again. The heart remembers, then forgives the pain. The ghosts of home still haunt my name, but I've learned to love them just the same. Each tear that fell became